Missing an important reminder or meeting can throw off your entire day. That's why enabling notifications in Dola AI is so important. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on notifications, adjust your notification settings, and make sure you never miss an upcoming event. So let's get started. Start by opening Dola AI on your computer or mobile device. If prompted, sign in to your account so you can access your settings and notification preferences. Next, open the Settings or Account menu. Depending on the version of Dola AI you're using, notification options may be located under Settings, Preferences, or Account. Find the notification settings and turn them on. If Dola AI asks for permission to send notifications, choose Allow so the app or service can notify you about reminders, events, and upcoming meetings. If notifications still aren't working, open your device settings and make sure notifications are enabled for Dola AI. Yeah, this applies whether you're using Android, an iPhone, or a supported desktop platform. If your version of Dola AI offers additional notification options, review them carefully. You may be able to choose which reminders trigger notifications or adjust when alerts are delivered before an event. Create a simple reminder scheduled a few minutes into the future. Wait for the notification to appear, then confirm that it arrives at the expected time. This is an easy way to verify that everything is working properly. If you still don't receive notifications, check your internet connection, disable any battery-saving features that restrict background activity, refresh the app, or reconnect your calendar if necessary. And that's how to enable notifications in Dola AI. Once notifications are turned on, you'll receive timely reminders for your meetings, tasks, and important events, helping you stay organized throughout the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical guides, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.